In this video, I'm going to show you how to use chat on monday.com. So monday.com doesn't have a separate standalone chat feature like Slack or Teams, but it offers several ways to communicate and collaborate directly within boards and teams. So just go and open any board that you have or navigate to the board that you want to have the chat example into. And now in here's example, under your board name or title, you'll find here add view. So once you click on it, you can just scroll down, click on explore more views. And here's an example, you'll basically have to click and search and look for chat. So an example here, you'll be able to add some apps to your board, which will be able to let you chat with each other. Like example, the Formito, turn your board into a chat bot and collect responses. Let chat, text an app to chat with your team members, find a good area to discuss with your team. For Python example, this is AI like chat and stuff. So choose the one that suits your needs. Let's say example, I want this one. So I'm just going to click on get it now. Click on install the app as an example. And once it is installed, as an example, let's just wait for it until it's load correctly. We'll be able to use it to chat. Of course, if you use the other app, you'll be able to use it again to chat again with it. So it depends on the app that you choose. We just wait for it a little bit until it loads. And of course, in the meanwhile, you can just go and click, as you can see in this button right here, you'll be able to find how to use option. If you don't know, like an example, how to use it, or if you want to explain an example to the team members that you have on your board, how to use it, they will find an example that option, and they will find an example, a 1-minute video to show you how to use it very easily. Of course, if you choose like the other app, let me just go to chat. If you choose this other app, like this chat option, so click on install, and basically it's going to be basically the same. So here you'll find this option and you'll find how to use it, and you'll find example a messaging option. So this one loads faster than this, so it's fine. So yeah, people can come here and use it like hello, how are you all doing, or something like that. So yeah, just go and do this, and simply you can check this option. So when click on enter, it sends the message instead of having enter. And as you can see, people can respond to you. You can add emojis and stuff. So that's about it. That's how you use chat example on monday.com. If you have any questions, leave it down below in the comment section and I'll do my best to help you out.